I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're doing an update on the Milwaukee Ratcheting flex head wrenches. Now these wrenches have been good. I now have not transferred them into my roll cart. I don't have room, but I've been doing a bunch of stuff with them, grabbing them out of my toolbox specifically to test them out. The open ends have been phenomenal as far as everything I've used them for. They haven't slipped. Obviously, they've got the teeth. They've been great, as good as the regular Milwaukee wrenches, and the flex head part has been useful. Again, they've got a directional thing on there so you can actually see it and go, oh, it goes that way. But that's a nice little feature. I've used the snot out of these in various applications, including tie rod ends, 21, 22s. Don't have to worry about them rounding them off. They've been phenomenal. Ratcheting ends, I've kind of honestly tried to break them and they haven't. But I don't have a lot of trouble breaking my ratcheting wrenches. I've only broken a handful of them. And so I may not be the best judge. I don't know. I have an original set of gear wrenches that I have warranted like one. I think I have a 7/16 that's broke, and I don't even know how that got broke. But anyway, I haven't broken them. I've used them to ratchet. They are substantial though. The only drawback that I see is the jaw is thick. So on some of the smaller sizes, they still are a little thick and may have some trouble fitting in certain spaces. They're comparable to a thicker Mac or Matco wrench or something like that. They're not horrendous. Now comparatively, I've got an 8mm gear wrench and a 8mm Milwaukee, and you don't mind the lobster claw, but thickness wise, they're about the same, which, if you use gear wrench, sometimes they don't fit in places. But that's, a nitpicky kind of thing, because, obviously the thicker the jaw, the stronger it is. I bought it somewhere, I don't remember where. I needed an 8mm gear wrench for something, and that's what I got. The rest of mine are not the lobster claws, but anyway, so they've been good. I can definitely recommend these. The ratcheting mechanism is smooth and, well, ratchets, and still ratchets despite abuse, including, backing up an impact. Not recommended, but I don't ever do that at all. So overall, really impressed with these wrenches. They feel good in the hand. They work. They ratchet. They flex. They don't get floppy, or at least they haven't for me so far. And definitely a good option. Not a cheap option, but not Snap-on expensive. So, as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.